All right, we're out here at the headquarters celebrating our 50th anniversary, and we've got one of our longtime members out here. Would you just tell us your first name?
Yeah, Chris.
Chris, how long have you had your account with us?
I think I opened it in 1979.
1979. Was that
Count back from there.
was that back in the Apollo days?
Not quite.
Mike, been a member here since 1981. When I came to the Space Center, joined up right away.
Teresina, how long have you had your account with us?
26 long
Hi,
years.
so what's your first name?
My name's Ray.
Ray, nice to meet you. Actually,
meet you
we've known
too.
each other a long time.
Long time, yeah.
Yeah, so how long have you been working out here at the Space Center?
Actually, October 15th, I get a 30-year service award.
Wow, 30 years. Yeah, so you've seen a lot of changes around here, huh?
I have. I can remember, I believe the credit union was over on Fortenberry in the little Moon Pizza Hut looking building before it moved down the street, if that's correct.
Tim, how long have you had your account with us?
My wife and I have been here for about 25 years.
25 years. Okay, we're celebrating our 50th anniversary here at the headquarters building, and we've got a long-time member, a personal friend of mine. Ma'am, what's your first name?
Tremella,
Tremella, how long have you had your account with us?
about 15.
About 15 years. That's a long time to have an account with us. Dennis, how long have you had your account with us?
Since 1978, so you have to count the years.
Dennis and I, we go way back.
Yeah.
Dennis, how have you seen the credit union change over the years?
Well, from the time I started, you used to write out your deposit and taking cash out, but over the years with the technology and the way things are now, I think that it's far better. You come in, you in and out. The young ladies, they know what they're doing, so I think technology has really changed, and over the years, KSC has risen to a height that I think far better than any other bank that I have dealt with. I'll put it that way.
Hi, what's your first name?
Jeffrey.
Jeffrey, nice to meet you. I'm Kelly.
Kelly, nice to meet you.
So what company do you work for out here at the Space Center?
I work for Kinetic on an IMTS contract.
Very good. How long have you been out here?
A total of 15 years now.
Okay, good. So what do you love about banking here at KSC Federal Credit Union?
It's very convenient. We've very competitive on your interest rates. The son had just got a car, so it was very helpful to come straight from work over here. Just hit headquarters and get the loan.
What do you like best about banking with the KSC Credit Union?
It's just like a hometown, it's like my own personal bank. I've been dealing with you guys for over 30 years now, and did a mortgage through you, bought 3 boats, I think it is, and at least 3 vehicles. So yeah, I can depend on you and rely on you, and it's easy, and free checking accounts, and you send me money in the mail, yeah, that'll be the day.
Dealt with.
Well, over the years, I've been over to the Cape Side, over in the Air Force Base. Merritt Island, of course, is where I do most of my business. Titusville, down in Wickham, towards Pineda. Always had very positive experiences.
And Teresina and I go back a long time.
Yes, Victor was a loan officer when I started here.
That was a long time ago.
Yeah, 100 years ago.
And during those 26 years, what services have you used with us?
Okay, I had checking, savings, online banking. I have an ATM card, loans. Oh, car loans, signature loans. Y'all always give me a loan when I need it desperately. I can count on the credit union.
Look at that. Yeah, we've helped her out in a pinch.
Yes, numerous
I
occasions.
remember back when you used to do transactions using the phone, and now with the online banking, that is a real convenient feature that I use frequently.
Great. So the technology has changed.
Technology for the good, the ATM machines, and just the convenience of the Federal Credit Union.
And what other services, Tim, do you use with us?
I finance several cars with KSC Federal Credit Union. Currently have a vehicle being financed. I have ATM card and a Visa debit card, and
How about our online services? Do you take advantage of those?
yes, I use the online banking frequently. I pay most of my bills using the online application and find it quite convenient.
Great.
Transferring money from our accounts into kids' accounts and what have you. It's quite easy, and at the
What do you
click of a
like
button.
best about banking with the credit union?
The people are friendly, nice, easy to get along with, and they're very courteous.
Good, good, good. And you've worked with some of our employees over the years that are no longer with us, or they're at another branch.
Yes, LaShuro and Pat,
Yeah.
and also know Queen Fisher at Merritt Island, and also Victor.
All
that
right,
I've known
that's me.
forever.
Yeah. We've worked together over the years, yes.
Yes.
And we appreciate you celebrating our 50th anniversary.
Actually, I had a sole single account until about 10 years ago when my wife and I got married. And then I opened up, I'm sorry, so then she had an account. We got married, we put our respective names on each account, so.
Good thing.
Yeah, so ever since I started here in 1988, I've had an account here, and she started about the same time, and she's had an account here too, so.
Good. So what do you love about banking out here at the Space Center with KSC Federal Credit Union?
It's the personalized experience. I mean, everybody here has always been the utmost in professional, courteous, polite, friendly, personable. They're just a bunch of good folks, and it's regardless of what branch you go to. I mean, I've lived a couple of different places on Merritt Island, but you can go to any of the branches, and all of the folks that you seem to meet there behind the counter always have a nice thing to say. They're polite. They're just nice folks.
That's what we love to hear. You know, we're opening a new branch in Melbourne.
Oh, you're really good.
Yes, we're doing the
Outstanding.
groundbreaking in October,
Okay,
and we're going to be on Wickham Road,
Outstanding.
just south of Lake Washington.
that's
Very
good.
close to the Krispy Kreme, so you
Yeah,
can,
I'll stop and get a Krispy Kreme.
come get a loan, go get a Krispy Kreme.
What the heck, right? So yeah, good. Yeah, no, it's a nice place to bank. It's they've always provided great service for me and my family. I've got 2 daughters, and they're not old enough yet to have an account, but obviously, hopefully, they'll follow in our footsteps.
They can get a savings account. You can
Absolutely.
sign them up
Sure.
today. I'm sure they can help you.
Okay, might as well give that a try one day.
Ray, thanks for coming out today.
Thank
Have
you.
a great weekend.
Thanks for having me as a customer.
It was great to talk to you,
Thank you.
and hope you're going to be a member for a long, long time.
Absolutely, and I'm not going anywhere.
So what
Thanks.
other services do you use with us?
Saving, checking, and of course, you know, you are good with the loans. Those are the services that I have dealt with KSC.
How about our online services? Do you take advantage of those?
Yes, in fact, online servicing, and just want to share with everybody that you can use your cell phone to go online to bring up your account. You're able to check your balance. You're able to check what is being held at the time. So use your phone wherever you are. You can be across the world somewhere. Pull your phone out and use it. You know, so that's one of the good things about KSC. The technology part, so I think that's good.
You find that service to be pretty
Very good.
very good and,
Yeah.
and pretty simple to use?
Very simple. When I want to know my balance, wherever I am, if I'm at a restaurant and think I may not have enough money, pull my cell phone out, bring up the account. Hey, I'm good. I can have a good day.
And do you use any of our online
Yes, I
banking
use the
services?
online banking on my computer, and I have the mobile app on my smartphone, and I use it. It's always when I'm out of town, I can transfer money or move it just from savings to checking, and go use my ATM card. And I go out of town a lot.
So that's a good service. that-
Yes, it is a very
that we
good service.
family,
I love that.
Yes, all of my girls, well, all girls, and my wife, all use Kennedy. Even my daughter, she uses her cell phone too. She's in college, so she can keep up with her account. She has her own account, so it's good. Everybody loves KSC.
Great, great, appreciate it. Well, we are expanding all the time. We are opening up branches in Melbourne here, and then we're also possibly opening up another branch in Volusia, so we're always growing. So if we can continue helping you and your family with services, don't hesitate to call on us.
We look forward to it. You all are the best.
And
There's no one like KSC. Kennedy Space in a credit union. I'll put it that way.
And we're celebrating our 50th anniversary, and so hopefully we'll be around for years and years to come.
Yeah, well, I'm part of that history.
All right, we thank you.
Thank you.
Great, great.
Just got my daughter, I had all my kids had accounts here. They all got grown and closed them, but now they all grown, now they opening them back up.
So she's got a whole family involved with the
Yes.
credit union. Over the 26 that she's been connected with us, we've been
Yes.
able to assist her over the years.
Yes.
What other branches do you visit?
Oh, I've been to Merritt Island, Titusville, Daytona Beach. I want y'all to open up one in Orlando, because I'm always in Orlando, and there's the bank over there. Hint, hint, hint. Been to Rockledge. What else have I been? Port St. John. And I like it when y'all used to be open on Saturdays, when y'all used to move around, but I think the main branch should be open on Saturdays from 9 to 12. That's just my personal opinion.
Well, we always have the Presto machines over at the Publix.
Oh, love that. No charge, no finance charge. Love that. We'll look for Publix anywhere I'm out of town.
Great. Well, we appreciate you celebrating our 50th anniversary with us out here, and we appreciate all your long years of service, and we want to thank you again for your patronage.
All right.
All right.
All right.
Yeah, I go on there to check my account and all that stuff, and it's nice and secure, and I'm proud of that. You know, my information not leaking out, and it's comfortable knowing that. And anytime I'm out of town and use my credit card and it doesn't work, and you guys are right on it, giving me a phone call, you know, telling me, hey, somebody got your card or you got it, and then reactivate it, and I'm on go from there. So that's a nice situation too. That's
Straightforward. It's a good value. You don't have the bank fees that some of the other banks. And the folks here are just awesome to work with. Always a
Great.
smile.
And what do you like best about banking with the KSC Credit Union?
I like the people. You know, it's a good community feel, and everything's very convenient, very simple, very convenient.
So
Very
you have a
comfortable.
savings account, checking account?
I've
what
got
else?
both, yes, and a credit card also.
Do you do any online banking with us?
A little bit, just usually just checking my balances and stuff like that.
Okay, good. Well, we're glad to have you out here. We're celebrating our 50th anniversary, and you know, it all started out here at the Space Center, so we're very happy to be celebrating with all of our members here at the Space Center too. So
Good, glad I can be a part.
thanks for being a member with us for so long.
Okay, cool.
All right.